Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another walk around video. Thanks to IAA. This week we have been spending some time in the yard looking at all kinds of cars and trucks. And I can't tell you how many people have said, I need a Corvette in my life. I've never had one. I've wanted one. And I've missed an opportunity to purchase one that was very inexpensive, needed very little work. But I'm standing right next to something that might just be the perfect vet for me. And by perfect vet for me, yeah, you can see the damage. Yeah, this old car, something happened to the hood, and there are some remnants that do remain, okay? Mechanically, it doesn't look like anything has been damaged too much, okay? We do have the bumper. You'll need a bumper. You're gonna need a little headlight cover on that side. This side looks to be okay. Maybe a fog light right there. This looks like it's about to come off. Yep, right there. So you need a new fog light. But other than that, I think that's all the damage that we're gonna find. Engine looks good. We don't have to do anything. We can just take a look at the engine. Belts are okay. We still have, okay, yeah, we still have orange coolant in there. We do have brake fluid, .3 right there. Windshield wiper fluid looks to be okay. And this hasn't been out in the sun for too long. Okay, damage on the back. I don't see it. Well, okay, so something happened right here. That's not major. You can fix that. And something poked it right here. And you need a lens. Ooh. Okay, that may require some work. There's a little bit of tread on the tires. I don't even know if she has power. I don't think she has power. I don't think that she does. But let's just see what it looks like on the inside. This is gonna be hard to get into. This is gonna take some gymnastics just to get inside here. Okay, here we go. We're sliding down because these are so easy to get in and out of. Is there even a key? Look how worn out this is. Oh gosh. Well, even if I wanted to start it, I couldn't. There is no key. There's no key in there. There's no key in here. There's no key here. What about in here? Nope. What's wrong with this? There you go. So there's nothing we can do. So this is a humongous risk. Oil was changed in 23. Does that say 30,000 miles? Is this that low of a mileage vet? Whoa. And even more of a game changer. I just realized this. Look at that. She is a manual. And the clutch feels good. Yeah, that clutch feels really good. Okay. Wow. We'll put this on there just to be sure. We got some parts in the back. The interior does look new. I mean, it doesn't look like it's all worn out. So could it be? In 3 of 23, they changed the oil. 5W30 at 30,000 miles. Oh, that could be a really nice buy. But if the engine's toast, and I don't have a key, so, oh, what do I do? All right, let me know what you think about the vet. This is good. That would be amazing if it's true, the mileage. That could indicate a huge problem with the engine because they don't want you to start it. That could be a big problem. This is a vehicle that brings back lots and lots of memories. 2014 Volvo XC90. I had one of these. It was a little older, but at the time it was the most comfortable vehicle I had ever sat in and driven. It was just like, I don't know, butter. Oh, look at this. I'm a pioneer as well, so I know where this came from. This is from Stillwater. Okay. This was a nice riding vehicle back in the day. I don't know why. The seats just fit me so perfectly. Ours was blue with the black interior. Here's your damage. Okay, it made a little bit to the door. You'll need a fender, a little wheel arch, a bumper, and a headlight. And a tire, maybe a wheel. Add all that up, okay? But it was just so fun to drive and quiet, and the sound system was good. And then I took it from Naples, Florida back up to Atlanta, and she caught fire. Yeah, I had to pull off of the highway and pull off on the side of the road. I was with my daughter, Julia, and flames were coming from here. Just, I wish I could find the video. I've got it somewhere, but flames were coming from the engine. And we had to leave it there and just let her burn. And burn, baby, burn. She did burn. And then we contacted Volvo because it was relatively new at the time, and they sent people out to wherever it was towed, and they checked it out to try to figure out why it went up in flames. They never could figure out why, and neither could I. It was the strangest thing ever. Same interior. I love this. Let's see if it feels the same as it did back in the day. I may be about 5 pounds heavier, but it does. Oh, this feels so good. This is comfortable. This is really, really comfortable. I don't know if there's... Oh, here we go. Is she gonna come to life? She's alive. Well, I declare. Oh, that's kind of weird. Searching for... Ah! Let's go to AM, FM. Oh, it's looking for somebody's phone, I guess? Okay. All right, let's see what she's like underneath here. See if I can remember. Here it is. There it is. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3.2 liter. And it does look really nice. She runs good. The belt looks okay. Oil filter. Coolant is green. She runs really good. Fix this up and you'd have a nice SUV. The tires, there's a little bit of tread left on them. That's okay. You got a little dent right here. And yes, 3rd row seating. I remember this. This goes forward. There you go. Those will go flat. You can have a lot of cargo space. And then you can lay these down too and have even more cargo space. But this is a nice, I like this. I really do. I don't know if it's just because I was a family man at the time or what, but this was nice. And even, yeah, I remember this too. There you go. Kind of a Range Rover touch right there. There it is. Close it up. Close it up, close it up. Oh, you have to add a rear windshield wiper. But pretty easy fix. I don't know how expensive parts are on these anymore. I don't see a lot of these in the salvage yard. I really don't, but it couldn't be too expensive, right? I don't know, but this is so comfortable. Oh, 166,000 miles. All right, do you like the Volvo? Let me know, folks. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's still kind of stylish as well. Yeah, my one daughter thought it looked like a Beetle. She didn't like it. The other daughter thought it was cool. I think it's pretty nice. And finally, how about a 2007? Yep, I'm gonna slip another Mercedes in here on you. Sorry about this, but the interior is so nice. Yep, this is the E-Class, the workhorse of the brand. As far as damage, right here. Is that it? That can't be all. Really? I just stuck my head in the window to see what kind of the, oh, this is a little off. That's kind of strange. Oh, because this is bent. There you go. That's an easy, easy, easy fix. There, now it looks perfect. Yeah, it says E350. Yep, E350. So it could have some engine issues. Oh, that's kind of iffy. All right, but I do want to show you the interior because it's gorgeous, baby. This Designo. Yeah, look at this. Orange and black. The basketball orange that I love. With a windscreen in the back there. A nice 2, count them, 2 sunroofs. This is just, it's kind of weird to, I don't know why. It's just like these doors are hard to move. Guess they just need some lubrication or something. I love this. I really, really do. Ooh, she's dirty. She's really dirty. And this, okay, that's broken. This wood with the, I don't know, the wood and this kind of clash to me. It needs to be darker. Maybe it was back in the day. I like the panoramic roof. I don't know if she's going to start because it says in up. That's for the dash. I don't think she's going to start for us. Let's just kind of sit down and see what she feels like right here. I've had several of these. 211, W211 is the model. They all use the same key. Yeah, there's no. The problem with this is the engine, and there is some gears on the back side of the engine that kind of help the engine run smoothly. The gears wear, and it's a big problem. The engine has to come out and you got to change that gear, and it's, I can't think of the actual name of it, but it's a big PETA to fix right now, and this is wearing off right here too. So this is, man, but back in the day, this was a beautiful car. This was a beautiful car, and I love how they do this right here. So you get one sun visor to go that way, and you get a second one to go this way. That is some pretty cool engineering, because sometimes you're driving and the sun is right there. See how they cut it out? So it goes in there. Very nice, but there's no, she's dead as a doornail. Let's just take a look at the engine and see what's going on. There it is. Opening. Plain old V6, but back behind there is, like I said, anyway, okay. And I don't know why they did this. That's kind of cheapy looking to me. So apparently there is something serious with the car. So with that being said, I just wanted to show you the inside. These Designo interiors are pretty amazing usually. I like how this comes out to a little bit more of a point than they did before. That, I don't know what that is. It's gross. I like the wheels though. She would clean up. She would clean up and be a beautiful car, but it may take a lot to get it to work. Doggone it, I wish I could start this thing. And I think that's a cool little touch. Just, why not put a little drawer right there? I don't know, we got extra space. Let's just put the drawer right there. Okay, we'll put the key back where we found it. And we'll call it quits. I look good in this car. I'm sorry, but I do. I really do. I love this interior. I like the black on top. I like the two sunroofs. Yeah, this one I'm just going to have to pass on. Although, I can't even read that. It was serviced sometime in 23, but I can't read the miles. It's faded. It's faded too much. So with that, we're going to end this walk around video. A big thank you to everybody here at IAA for letting me kind of come out and wander around and check out all these very nice cars and trucks and ATVs. I need to check out some ATVs and show you some of those, and motorcycles. I climbed in an RV and a semi over at another place. Had a lot of fun with that. So maybe we'll do that here as well. All right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. We're getting very, very close to the magic number 40,000, which would be great for the channel. Okay. Have a good day, everybody. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.